What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Coming to you I'm at the district right now looking at a truck. Right now I'm looking at F150 SLT. It is 2018. Pretty nice. Just trying to see about getting a truck for the channel. This. Pretty nice truck. This need to be a little bit clean, but it's a nice truck. Like the door handles. There's a lot of room in the back for the kids to sit. If y'all is looking for a truck or a car, you can come out to Nissan over there by Montana, 5855 Montana. They do have good deals. That's where I got my first vehicle from. Y'all can come and get one and look at it. So I like the tires too. And this one's pretty nice too. It is a Ram 1500 Hemi 5.7. Pretty nice truck. Let me just walk around the other side, see what else they have. They do have a stepper too. I like that also. This one's pretty nice. It got the big screen on it. It got Bluetooth. It got heating seats. This one got everything. This one's pretty nice. Got the assist, the dual assist. Got the lights in the back. Got a lot of room down there. Look how big that screen is, man. That shit pretty nice. And they got 115 volt outlet to charge anything up. That's pretty nice too. Back seat pretty spacious too. Nice truck.